Hi guys, welcome to Bhashar's Academy. Today I am going to discuss about the teaching aptitude. Still, who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Who are first watching my video, please click on the subscribe button. So today I am going to discuss about the meaning the teaching aptitude. Then before going to start, we should know about the what is the teaching. Teaching is not a small concept. It is a very broad concept. We can't define in a particular or single in a word. So okay, in the teaching is a very important role in the society nowadays, because without teaching we can't do anything in the society. As you know, every person nowadays, every person who are a KS officer, IAS officer, and every officer is first become a student. First they are student, after become a IAS KS officer. So teaching is a very broad concept, as well as it is very big role in the society. So after this I am going to discuss about the teaching aptitude related to KSET, NET, and JRF first paper, as well as it is useful to the B.Ed, D.Ed, as well as other courses who want to become a teachers. Okay, then let me start. So meaning of the teaching aptitude is aptitude is all about educating the candidates who want to enter teaching profession on the basis of their knowledge and skill. So then why the NTA is what it adopting this teaching aptitude, because who want to become a teacher, who want to enter the teaching field, who want to become a teacher in the future. That's why they know, they test their skills as well as as well as their knowledge in this exam. That's why they are adopted this teaching aptitude. So anyway guys, teaching is a very I already told, it is a very broad concept. Teaching is very important role in our world. So before the teaching, so when we are starting the India, so that period, first the Gurukula system was there. Nowadays it is not there. It is it is very what it called, now the student will active, the teachers will passive, and everywhere we can get so many lot of materials. I will discuss in the in after, because that is also that materials, and as well as everything will be there in our curricula, in our syllabus. So I will discuss in the future. So we need to know about the teaching meaning. If we know the teaching meaning, we can get the knowledge about the teaching as well. So guys, if you divide the teaching and aptitude, the teaching means engagement with the learner to enable their understanding and application of knowledge, concept, and process. So the teaching shows that teaching is nothing but it is engagement with the learner. Teacher is engagement with the learner. Teacher was engagement with the learner. He is to teach them. Engagement with the learner enable their understanding and application of the knowledge and process. And who are not understanding, we need to teach them to understand, and as well as understand application of knowledge as well as process. Then aptitude is nothing but inborn potential. It is an inborn potential to do certain kind of work with a developed or undeveloped. It is aptitude is nothing but it is a inborn potential to do some certain works. Okay, this is the main theme of the teaching. Defined in the following ways. Teaching was defined in the following ways. Teaching is nothing but purposeful direction and management of the learner's process. It means it shows that it is a purposeful direction. Who want to show the direction? Teacher want to show the direction to the student, and management of the learning process, and he has to manage. It is his duty to teacher duty to manage the process, as well as what it called direction, to show the direction to the students. Then it defines teaching is a process of proceeding opportunities for the student to produce relatively permanent changes through engagement in the experiences proceeded by the teacher. So Teaching is the process of proceeding. It is process of proceeding the opportunity for the student for produce a relatively permanent changes through engagement in the experiences proceed by the teachers. So it is teaching is nothing but it is a process. It shows the way to the student how to learn and how to build their knowledge. So teaching is the application of a knowledge, experience and scientific principle with the objective setup and environment to facilitate learnings. So in this third point expresses that teaching application of the knowledge. It is application of knowledge and experience and scientific principle. Teaching is a scientific principle as well as application of knowledge with an objective to set up environment to facilitate learners. So it is teaching is not only related to one particular field, it is related to every particular field. So in this video I am going to discuss, I already discussed the meaning of the teaching aptitude and also teaching meaning as well as aptitude meaning and defined in the following ways of the teaching. So everyone be prepared about this. So be thorough about this. I already assigned to you people some what it called some homeworks in the below description. Please go through it and you read well. If you have any doubts about this, you can ask me in the comment box. Please, who are in the first to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon as well as click on the what it called like button and comment in the below section. If you have any suggestion to my teaching as well as my what it called my material what I am prepared as well as everything, what you have any doubts, clarifications, questions, you can ask without any hesitations. And so guys, I will end up this session to this teaching meaning and teaching aptitude. In the next video I am going to discuss about the what it called models of the teaching. The two models are there, we need to learn about the models. So if we learn about this model, we can know about how to teach come from and now where teaching is going. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Please